Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily add text to your file on your iPhone. So for doing this, just open Files app and just choose file you want to add text. And now just tap on this button here. So now just choose options from here. And here you need to choose add text. So now just press here. And now you can see different types of text you can also add here. So for example, I add previous time purple and gray, so for example green and yellow, and now just tap on done. So now let's go back on done, and now you can see that we successfully add new text to our file. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.